If you're feeling a little bit hot like I am today, because I've just been trying to fix a fence post that doesn't want to be fixed, this may come in handy for you as it's going to come in handy for me. We have an ice cube maker. It's quite heavy. Now this was sent to me, full transparency and all that. It was sent to me, but the review remains my own. I made that very clear, as I do with all my products on this channel. And as you can see, I have not opened it yet. Now apparently this will make ice within 5 to 8 minutes from turning it on, which is pretty quick. So apparently this can make up to 14 kilograms of ice in a day. Easy to carry handle, removable basket and scoop, self-clean, easy fill, water to ice in 5 to 8 minutes. Now if that's true, it's probably the small ice. It does small ice bullets, bigger ice bullets. The amount of times last year in the summer, I'll go to work all day, I'll come home sweating my everything off, go to the freezer and the ice cube tray's empty. And it's just like, I just want a cold drink. With this, if that happens, I don't have to wait 5 minutes and I can have a nice ice cold drink. So, in the box, we get user manual, cable, there's foam, and polystyrene, so it's double protected. Yeah. God, it is heavy. Same in the bottom. You've got foam at the very bottom and polystyrene inside the foam, so it's double protected, top and bottom. First impressions. It looks pretty good. It is about heavy. It is a little bit heavy. It's about 6 kilos in weight, because obviously you've got the compressor, the refrigerant, and everything that makes this work. Please keep the machine upright for 24 hours before first use. Don't tilt the machine. Place the ice maker on a dry, ventilated countertop away from any heat source. Please do not exceed the max water line. Only fill the tank with edible water, or you could add a filter to your water tap. Do not touch the evaporator while the unit is making ice. It may burn your skin. Always keep the lid closed unless filling water or removing ice. And when the ice fall indicator light brightens, please remove the ice cubes from the ice basket and use them as soon as possible, or put them into the freezer to avoid melting. After water refill, press power button for 2 times to continue ice making. And you also get a little scoop. Pooper scoop. No, it's not for poop. It's for ice cubes. It's a cuba scoop. There is your tray where your ice cubes will fall into. So you could lift it out, pour it into a bag, or into a storage container that you're going to put in the freezer. It has got a self-clean function, but once you've done with that, you can then take the drain plug out, empty that water out, fill it up with fresh water, and away you go again. Initial impressions, pretty good. I've got to say, it's well packaged. It looks pretty smart. I kind of like it. Now the question is, will it make ice cubes? So at the moment it's just going through the cleaning process. To the mix. You can actually see the ice cubes forming. That's kind of cool, man. See if I can zoom in. Still, look at that. I've got to say, I've been using it for over a week now, because there was an embargo on when I can release the video. But I'm just doing a bit of B-roll because I wanted to get some close-ups like this, so you can actually see the ice cubes forming and see how the machine works close up, because it's actually very clever. There's a lot of these sort of machines out there, but This is the first one I've ever tried, and it's clever, man. It's cool, and I love watching. I know it probably works quicker with this shut, with the lid down. You can see now that pipe is entirely frozen. I'm trying not to drop my phone in the water. Here we go. Now it scoops these ones up, puts them in the basket, which is lucky I put it back, so otherwise they would have gone straight into the water tank. And then that fills up, and it starts the whole process again. And if you look, all the ice has melted off the pipes, because what happens is it momentarily heats up so that the ice cubes drop off. So it goes from freezing to actually heating that pipe. Just enough for the ice cubes to drop. Now it will start freezing again. As you can see, it is now freezing, and the ice cubes. It is as simple as that. It is as easy as that. And on the small, it will pump these out roughly every 6 minutes. And then all I do, as you can see, we are running low. Just scoop them out and pop them in your bag. And there it is. It's the ice cubes. And although they're bullet ice cubes, so the middle is hollow, they're quite a good size. They last absolutely fine in a drink. Let this go for another hour or so. Put some more in this bag, because next week the weather's turning warmer. That brings us to the end of this video. My review of the Fohere, I think it's Fohere, something like that, ice cube maker. I've got to say, thank you very much to Fohere for sending it out to me. I've never used one of these before. They're bloody easy. I mean, there's nothing really to it. You put water in it, press a button, and it does the rest. And you then end up with a drink with some nice ice cubes in it, because the amount of times in the summer I come home and the ice cube tray's empty, because certain people in this house use them all and they don't bother to fill them back up again. No more waiting 2 or 3 hours for ice cubes when I can just put that on, and within 6 to 8 minutes, depending on whether you want small or large, you've got your ice. Oh, it's cold. It's actually quite cold in the UK today, but you know, for the sake of the video, I thought I'd better have some ice cubes. I've actually got a cup of tea over there. But next week is turning warmer in the UK. You heard it here first. It is turning warmer. You may be wondering why I'm standing up when I'm usually sitting in this corner. Well, look what I have finally done after a year of doing videos in the kitchen. Put up a blind. I was going to get an electronic thing off of Temu, but then I couldn't be bothered. It took me long enough to put this up. I don't really want to mess around with electric bloody crap as well. But yeah, I can now filter out the sunlight in the morning without hanging things, because you guys have not seen it, but I've hung t-shirts up here. I've hung my wife's scarf because it was a good fit. I've hung so many things up there, and some days I forget, and then obviously the light comes through and it messes with everything. So yeah, we've now got a blind in the kitchen. It's only taken me a year. And my wife says sometimes she has to ask me to do things more than once. I don't believe her. I do not believe her. She asks me to do something and I do it. Eventually. But yeah, that does it for this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more. I do everything on this channel, from kitchen gadgets to mobile phones, speakers, anything that's tech related, I will do at some point on this channel. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe. And if you've got any comments, any questions about this ice cube maker, or Any comments in general, you know where to put them. And I hope to see all you guys very, very soon in the next one. Bye, guys.